Hello and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Monica 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Crafted from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm excited to take you on another journey in our series, AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge. In our last episode, we explored core AI breakthroughs, examining how foundational advances in model architecture and optimization continue to shape the AI landscape. Today, we're turning our focus to language AI frontiers, arguably one of the most transformative areas in artificial intelligence. From OpenAI's GPT to Google's Gemini and Anthropic's emphasis on controlled outputs, the field is evolving at a remarkable pace. Let's dive in. The landscape of language AI has been transformed by foundation models, those vast, adaptable systems that serve as the backbone for countless applications. What makes these models so remarkable is their ability to understand and generate human-like text, while continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in natural language processing. Let's look at some of the groundbreaking developments that are shaping this field. Google's innovation path, building on Palm architecture with Gemini, introducing efficient attention mechanisms and improving multilingual handling. OpenAI's advancement, continuous refinement of GPT models, enhancing context processing, retrieval-augmented generation, RG, and multimodal learning. Community innovation, open-source projects like Mistral AI and DeepSeek's models attracting attention for transparent, community-driven approaches to advanced language capabilities. What's particularly exciting about these developments is how they're democratizing access to advanced language AI. The combination of commercial powerhouses and open-source initiatives is creating a rich ecosystem where innovation can flourish from multiple directions. One of the most fascinating aspects of modern language AI is its ability to break down language barriers. We're no longer talking about simple translation. These systems are beginning to understand the nuances and cultural contexts that make language so rich and complex. The breakthroughs in this space are truly remarkable. Google's Universal Language Model, tackling diverse languages with unified architectures. Meta's LLaMA, advanced processing preserving semantic nuances across linguistic boundaries. Meta's M2M, translation capabilities enabling direct translation between multiple languages without English bridging. This evolution in multilingual processing isn't just about translation, it's about creating true understanding across languages. These systems are learning to grasp idioms, cultural references, and contextual meanings that once seemed impossible for machines to comprehend. While general language models grab headlines, some of the most impactful developments are happening in specialized domains. These focused applications are transforming how professionals work across various industries. Let's explore some of these groundbreaking specialized tools. Code generation tools, Microsoft's GitHub Copilot and Amazon Code Whisper revolutionizing developer workflows. Enterprise content solutions, Google's and Microsoft's tools streamlining technical writing and documentation. Advanced analytics, IBM Watson Discovery and Bloomberg's domain-specific analysis extracting insights from textual data. Open source initiatives, DeepSeek exploring specialized coding support and extended textual analysis. What makes these specialized applications so powerful is their ability to understand context-specific language and requirements. They're not just processing words, they're understanding professional jargon, technical specifications, and industry-specific needs. As language models become more powerful, the focus has shifted to ensuring they're not just capable, but also reliable and responsible. This has led to fascinating developments in control and enhancement technologies. The innovations in this space are particularly noteworthy. Anthropic's Claude, implementation of constitutional AI, weaving behavioral guidelines into training. Creative capabilities, advanced language models producing structured literary forms while maintaining thematic cohesion. Quality controls, systems generating coherent, contextually rich outputs while adhering to ethical guardrails. These developments aren't just about restricting what models can do, they're about ensuring that powerful language AI can be deployed safely and effectively in real-world applications. The journey from research breakthrough to practical application is often complex, but it's where the real impact of language AI becomes visible. The challenges of deploying these models at scale have led to innovative solutions that make implementation more accessible and efficient. Key advances in this space demonstrate the industry's maturity. Microsoft Azure integration, incorporating OpenAI's models across services like GitHub Copilot and Microsoft Bing Chat. Amazon SageMaker solutions, automated scaling and resource allocation for handling traffic spikes. Open source deployment, DeepSeek demonstrating community-driven deployment pipelines. What's particularly exciting is how these implementations are making advanced language AI accessible to organizations of all sizes. The focus on operational efficiency means that the benefits of language AI can be realized without requiring massive infrastructure investments. As language models grow in size and complexity, the challenge of managing them efficiently becomes increasingly important. It's not just about having powerful models, it's about making them practically and economically viable. Let's look at some essential elements that are making this possible. Advanced monitoring. Datadogs and Microsoft Azure monitors tools tracking performance metrics in real time. Resource optimization, dynamic batching, caching, and content filtering reducing computational load and cost. Update management, IBM's rolling deployment strategies preventing service disruptions during improvements. These advances in operational excellence are crucial because they're making language AI more sustainable and accessible. They're helping organizations balance the powerful capabilities of these models with practical business constraints. The field of language AI is evolving rapidly, and several exciting trends are emerging that could reshape how we interact with these technologies. What's particularly fascinating is how these developments are converging to create more comprehensive and capable systems. Let's explore the key trends that are shaping the future. Unified architectures, integration of text, images, and audio under cohesive models like OpenAI's GPT and Google's Gemini. Domain specialization, breakthrough applications in finance, healthcare, and legal sectors. Enhanced controls, built-in guidelines, and real-time content checks becoming standard practice. Open source innovation, teams like DeepSeek and Mistral AI driving collaborative research and decentralized development. These developments suggest we're moving toward a future where language AI will be more integrated, more specialized, and more accessible than ever before. That wraps up our deep dive into language AI frontiers. From robust multilingual handling in Google's Gemini and Meta's LLaMA to Anthropic's Claude creative demonstrations, this realm of AI keeps pushing boundaries. Whether you're implementing advanced chatbots or domain-specific analysis tools, these ongoing developments mean new opportunities and new responsibilities for everyone engaged with AI-driven language solutions. In our next episode, we'll investigate data AI innovations, how advanced systems are reshaping data management, analytics, and decision-making. As language models grow more capable, they'll increasingly inform how we structure and interpret data across industries. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.